Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So, one of my favorite series of movies is the Bond series, right? I'm not going to debate who's the best Bond, Daniel Craig, but it is truly one of the best movie series of all time, in my opinion. You can leave in the comments who you believe is the best Bond ever. And it's all your opinion. But anywho, the Vesper was created for James Bond by the author of the books. And it first appeared in Casino Royale in 1953. It's a gin, it's like a martini, right? So this is where the argument comes from: shaken, not stirred, right? We're going to shake this versus stir it. Most martinis are stirred for a reason, right? But this one is such a alcohol-forward drink that is pretty strong. So shaking it allows the water to dilute it a little bit to get a better drink. So we're going to shake this just to be more authentic to this drink. All right, so first thing first, we're going to go with 3 ounces of gin. And it doesn't say specifically what gin. So because this is Bond, I would assume it would be a London dry gin. It doesn't say specifically what type of gin, but we're going to go with a London dry gin because it's Bond, right? So next, we're going to go 1 ounce of vodka. And last, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of Lillet blanc. Just 1/2 ounce. It's going to give it just a tad little bit of sweetness to cut the other alcohols. Let's add some ice to our shaker. Give it a good shake. And of course, like I said, the purpose of this shake versus stirring it is to dilute it a little bit with the ice. Next, we're going to pour it in our glass, because this is a pretty, 4.5 ounces of alcohol. So this is a pretty big drink. So it's almost like a double, right? So I got a bigger fancy martini glass. There you have it. There you have it. A Vesper, James Bond's favorite. Strong drink, right? First off, you taste the alcohol. Really, really strong drink. I'm not going to say really strong drink. A very alcohol-forward drink, right? So if you like, to taste your liquors, this allows you to taste your liquors. Anywho, it's not a bad drink at all. I see why James Bond liked it. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.